Hi guys, in this video we will discuss about the benefits a businessman get when he runs a business or starts a new business. So first benefit is freedom. If he starts his own business, he has the freedom. As he is the owner of the business, he has the freedom that when I can go to office and when should I work, should I give this work to anyone else, should I do this work or not. He can do the only crucial work and other work he can give to other. By this he becomes free and he get more time to spend with his families and all, family, friends. He can give time to himself. So that is the first benefit, that is freedom. Second benefit is that money. If a businessman is in a business, his value increases if a business performance also increases. Why? Because he is the owner of the business, and salary is another, profits is the other thing which a businessman can get richer by doing a business. Third benefit is tax benefits. Tax benefits, like government always supports businessmen and capitalist persons rather than employees. We see in the news and all that government are supporting poor people and employees, workers, everyone. But in reality, government are giving much benefits to businessmen. Like taxes are levied when a businessman spent his expenses from his income. After he spent the expenses, taxes are levied on the businessman. But whereas in employees and all, taxes are levied when they earn income, not after their expenses. So that is a major benefit that a businessman get. There are many benefits and tax benefits also, but in this video I have discussed only one. If you want, you can Google it, or you can see it on YouTube. There are many tax benefits which a businessman gets. Then fourth benefit is he can earn a passive income. Okay, so I will tell you one thing, that what is a passive income. Do you know what is active income? I will tell you the difference. Active income is something that you work and you get. If a person is working 8 hours a day and after a month he get a paycheck, then his paycheck is active income. But if the next month if we don't work, he will not get the paycheck, then it is considered as an active income. But what is a passive income? It is an income which someone gets when he is sleeping on the bed, or else he is doing something other thing, or he is enjoying his life, and then also he is getting some income from his assets or businesses. So a businessman earns a passive income after in a long term. How it is possible? Through automating the business operations. Like if a business owner have 10 works to do, he can hire 10 employees and them the separate work to do, and he becomes free. Through that he will get a freedom, and he can automate the business. Through that every year he will get the profits. But if he don't work also, he is earning a lot of profit. Okay, so by automating the business, he can earn a passive income. So like how to automate the business and all, you can get many videos on YouTube. There are many speakers and business coach who can teach you about that. Okay, so fifth point, if a person is doing a business, he is not just helping his family and his own, but he is also contributing to the nation. Okay, so he can contribute to the nation by two major things. He is the biggest contributor to the nation. Businessmen are biggest contributor. I am not talking about any donations and all. What I am saying is, first thing, they contribute in GDP. Like if a businessman is giving services to a customer, or selling some goods to a customer, then it is directly contributing to the nation's GDP. It increases the GDP of our country, our nation. Okay, and the second thing is that a businessman hires employees who work for them. So those employees, if the businessman was not there, then those employees were unemployed. So it increases the nation's employment rate, and many people get employment through businessmen. So these businessmen are not dependent on other. In fact, these are giving opportunities to other people to earn their livelihood and to progress. Okay, so these were the 5 points. There are many benefits of doing business over doing a job, but the video will be long, and I cannot explain all the points in one video. I will try to explain those in my further videos. Okay, so this I have started my YouTube channel, so please support me and comment below on which topic do you want videos. Okay, and please share and like this video. Thank you.